Let's take a pose in the cam. Perfect. Ace is back in the office. Who is ready to print the monies? How's everyone doing? Bum ba-da-bum ba-bum ba-da-da-dum. Bum ba-da-dum ba-dum ba-da-da-dum dun 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 dun. Oh shit. I'm an idiot. I need you to pose again. Good. Doing good. JJ print today? Okay, give me TA. I'd be better if you guys weren't late. We're not late. You're late.
Actually, I think we were just on time. I started it right at 9:20. My story says 9:20. I think we've done it again.
It's actually true.
Oh, how's everyone doing today? Cool. We can finally go back on TikTok.
Hey, thoughts on the day ahead, gentlemen? My thoughts are very thoughty. I had a short trigger that just hit TP, but I didn't take it because I was busy. It's okay. Who cares?
Was this you, Rams, who put a water on my desk? Oh,
No, that was
Jacob.
Jacob, so that he can hide the sticky note.
Mm.
It was under there, right?
No, it was on my desk or on my seat.
Holy! This week we got no news Monday, and then we got CPI tomorrow with Fed Chairman Warsh testifying at 10 a.m. Red Folder, and then Wednesday we got Red Folder PPI with Fed Chairman Warsh testifying again at 10. And then Thursday we got a bunch of Orange Folder, and then Friday we got a bunch of Orange Folder. So a no news Monday on a heavy news week. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Buffett. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, 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 I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward. I'm Squidward, Squidward, Squidward. Time to post a story on the Instagramming stories. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Kels. Good morning, Mr. Kels. Good morning, Mr. Kels. I said good morning. I said good morning. I said good morning, Mr. Kels. I'm ready to print and make money.
All
I
right.
said I'm ready to
Let's get back
print
on
and make
TikTok, boys.
money. Oh, the TikTok's back. That's it. We're cooking now. Then we have a big ass range from pre-market from Asia. Good morning, RK/afternoon. Let me post the link, Lias. Hey chat, how was your guys' weekend? Anybody do something cool? Anybody do some cool stuff? Cool stuff, right? Anybody do some cool stuff, right? Hey chat, my body, like my back and my legs are absolutely destroyed from jet skiing on the
I'm here right
weekend.
now. All right, we're live on TikTok. Everyone, let me see you on there.
Ooh, time to open the TikTok. Wifey's birthday, so no. Chat, the water was so choppy, and we had the jet skis for 2 hours, and like I can barely walk up the stairs. I literally walk up the stairs like an old man, holding the railing, going one step at a time.
Oh, you guys know what's crazy? FIFA's rigged. Argentina, what the fuck?
It's not rigged.
It's rigged.
Not rigged.
It's rigged.
Not rigged. Why don't you just buy a jet ski? We were
Yo,
literally
you're
talking
Mr.
about it too.
Comfy. You haven't looked into the whole data since
I
back
did.
in the old World Cups?
I looked into everything, and I came to the conclusion that it's not rigged.
That's crazy.
You know what else is a
Coming
conspi?
from Conspi himself.
Yeah, you know what else is a
That's
conspi?
crazy.
When the mainstream narrative is that it's rigged, it's most
I don't think
likely
that that's the
not
narrative
rigged.
right now.
That's definitely the narrative.
I mean, the
All,
narrative is also that 9/11 was that it was government, but yet
no, the narrative is that it wasn't.
no, that's the narrative from the government.
Yeah, that's
But everyone believes that it
yeah. Now, like 20 years later, call me in the 2067 World Cup to talk about this one. We need more time.
was.
Gotta add squats to your workout, brother. I'm telling you, you could be working out like a maniac.
Hey, Ace, do you
Still
still
sore.
do options? I was in your original server, then went to Stock Dads with you, and now I found you back. Do I still do options? You tell me, baby. Of course we do, baby.
Do
Man,
we
we even
still
have
do
a
options?
options prop firm now, baby. So if you go on Vanquish Trader, use code PHUB, you guys can purchase some of those over there.
Yeah, options props dope. That was the main thing about options is you just needed cash. Like you needed to drop like a few thousand for it to be worth. Now you just get Vanquish proppings. Very, very good, very kind.
Very, very nice, very mine.
Alright, Mr. AC, do you have any the technicals of the analysis of the chartings?
We bounced, so you guys can obviously see my chart now. Here, let me pull up this one right here. We bounced off of our Asia low, literally to the tick off my accumulation range low. From there, we did have a bounce, but we are gapped down. We do have a gap
Oh.
down from our Friday session. So I would love to see a full reclaim of at least our true day open, or at least 50% of that move from our lows to all the way back up to where the gap would be filled. So let me give you guys the actual number as opposed to just saying it.
It's fine.
Boom. All the way to boom. And then 50%. So that brings us all the way, guys, to right just shy of 800. So that's going to be my main target for today's session. And I mean, in technicality, it already did that during pre-market. So it is fully filled. Therefore, we can legit go sideways from here, which sucks. But I do have a long trigger that happened at 662, popped all the way to 800. So that move has already been mitigated based off of that 50% that you guys can see. Literally, the analysis that I have for today's session already happened during our London session. So gonna take today very, very lightly. If we can head above 750 to that 800, I'd be very happy. If not, short triggers below that 540.
Yeah, I'm honestly not really bullish until above 770.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward. CPI tomorrow, good chance for Chop City. Yeah, today's literally the only day of the week with no news. So me personally, I'm only gonna take A+ setups. I mean, that's what I do anyway, but it's gonna be a little more discretionary in terms of how much room we actually have to go. Heronarine, Mr.
What?
HS,
What are
Mr.
you
HS.
saying?
We talking about options server? I can send the Vanquish link right now. Vanquish is free to join, and we're there every Thursday. Here, I'll send it in the chat. There you go. Boom, Vanquish. I got you. And there is market open. Market open with the dumbskis. Thing is, for me, looking at it, we don't have that much room to go down.
I have all the way to 550. And
I
then
have
if we
580.
Yeah, if we crack 550, then
Yeah.
this thing could send. But we'll see.
Good morning, Gonzalo. Oh my God, user said tralera, tralera, tralero.
Chadalero, chadala.
You guys are so brain rot. Look at this gif. Wow.
Yo, did you even Roblox though? That's the
Tung tung tung
question.
tung 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 tung. Tung 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 tung
Tung,
tung.
tung, 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 tung.
Tung 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 tung. Tung 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 tung. Hey, listen. If you guys want brain rot and also absolute printing, you're in the right place. Just know that. I thought Amar was here. Kun 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 kun.
It's hilarious. Whoa, that so cool.
I'll roll your blocks, Ace.
What the fuck?
It's very interesting. Very interesting. I feel like Ace's webcam is new. Mmm.
Well, funny that you say that. It's not.
Oh. Not. It looks better than when he left. I think you just missed him. You know? That's a crazy suck up.
Right?
Yo, chat, I'm curious. Everybody, all 68 people in the audience right now, what props are you using? I'm curious. What are you guys on right now?
What is
I
your
need,
prop
I need
post?
everyone to answer. Take 2 seconds. Let me know. Because you never know. Maybe we can get some better discount. You know what I mean? Some event type discounts. Oh, hold on. This is quick. Tradeify, Lucid. I was using Alpha. Yeah, I know, right? MFF, Lucid Apex, TPT, Lucid, Tradeify. Alpha only, baby. Tradeify. Top 1, Top Step, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex. Then George is just like slurping all of those.
Why do you slurp like
Apex,
that?
Lucid, Bank, Tradeify, Top 1, Apex, Tradeify, Funded. Alpha, Vanquish, Top Step, Tradeify. So I think Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex are like the main ones
Certify is
everyone's
definitely
doing.
the main.
Yeah.
And Lucid.
Yeah. We should see if we can get like a timed custom discount just for Prophub people.
I can do it.
You gotta do that.
I don't know if I could get bread on stream, but
Ninja canceled on Alpha, not the other way around. Is that what happened? Because I saw people saying Alpha parted ways of their own volition. Pasta. Wanting to try Lucid? Yeah, RK. Lucids are really good.
yeah,
Like
I think it's
their rules are
undisputably
peak.
like the best right now.
Yeah. Tradeify is just bigger and like more people use it. But if you were to go to like 1-to-1 based on rules, I think Lucid is right there, if not a little better.
I just think they're better, period. I love Tradeify, don't get me wrong. I'm on Tradeify right now that you guys can see on screen.
Yeah. What
But
about you, JJ? The ones I use the most, the 3 is literally just Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Also top ones.
yeah,
Top ones is like my like default fallback, but like when I'm choosing,
that came back to my
it's
entry.
those 3. Yeah, for the select, it depends what you want, Wales. Like the Lucid Flex, like if you're comparing the growths to Lucid, then Lucid's just better. But the selects are pretty fire. Well, this PA is mid right now.
Yep. It is a no news Monday, guys, so expect slower-ish movement.
Mm-hmm. Just had a massive suck up just to rip all the way back down to that wick. You gotta be patient if you want to make money. Pasta still here? But my eye is cooked right now. Fuck is going on? No consistency on Lucid Flex is nice. Yeah, it's pretty banger. Pretty fire. Mm. Mm-mm. Check yeah, oh yeah, ES is ripping.
I'm trying to catch a little long here if I can, but I want to see a hold of 690 to 700. Otherwise, I don't want shit.
On NQ?
Yep.
type shit. I got you, Costa. Don't you worry. I'm here for the people.
To everyone that has a ticket open, I know I'm supposed to answer a few of them, so just be patient. Thank you guys for being patient as well.
For real, for real, for real. Now that we're back, well, I mean, I was always here, and so was Loki Ace. He was just home. But, like, now that we're kind of getting back into like the regular shit, I'd say the next month to 2 months, there should be a lot of shit happening. A lot of dope stuff.
Yeah, I didn't get my long trigger, guys.
Did you end up getting the payout on the indicator account? Yeah, that was a minute ago. That was, what months were those? I started that one. I think it was the first week of June.
You got two
Just-
payouts off of it, no?
Yeah. The account started in May. I think I still have the screenshots of the calendar. Mm, mm, mm. I'll grab them after. That's what I'm just gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear. Yeah, user, for the bots and setting that up and shit, we're still trying to figure out how we're gonna do it properly.
I have a pretty good idea how we're going to run it, but we just need to execute it properly and make sure that it runs smoothly first.
Mm-hmm.
Because obviously we need to do our back end before anything. Also, why is no one on TikTok? That's my question.
I'm on TikTok. Look, Rob is on TikTok. Rob, what a goat. Oof.
Says we have two people, me and John? Question mark.
Wow. L chat. L chat. This close on the 2 for me is kind of pretty bearish. If we hold below like 650, 644, I think we're gonna go for those London lows, like 585. Alpha got rinsed. So what actually exactly happened with Alpha? Does anybody know like the full story? Posted it? Okay, they're parting ways, but now what? Damn. Damn, that's crazy. I've just got long 1 hour and 30-minute demand. Pray for me. Hey, listen, man. It's not about that. You gotta,
Not about praying.
you know what I mean? I love praying, but when you enter a trade, it should be based on your contention. Opened Alpha Trader.
His trade plan is based off prayer.
Ninja Trader 8 had an issue because it was a competitive platform. Ninja canceled their agreement. That's crazy. Actually crazy. Their accounts were so fire too.
They still are fire. We're gonna have to do our homework, obviously, make sure that like they're still we want to be affiliated with them and all of that. So we'll keep you guys up to date in terms of what we decide, all that kind of good
But if we
stuff.
decide they suck, then we'll leave.
Yeah, because
It's
obviously
very
we want the
simple.
best for you guys. It's not just about affiliation for us.
Yeah. Like there's a prop that I've been told about for the past like 4 months, but we've just been waiting to even attempt to partner with them because I wanted to see if they were actually giving payouts and like being trustworthy. And they've been doing pretty good. So we're gonna look into that pretty soon.
Look at that short come in.
Look into MFF, Mike. Trust me, we would have had MFF in November
Yep.
if there wasn't
I got screwed over
Yeah.
by not by MFF themselves, but with an agreement with MFF about me. I was even on. I don't know if we have any OGs in here, but I was actually on MFF TV before.
Yeah.
Do you remember that, Rams? Yeah, it was actually such a good time. It was such a vibe.
Do you think they'll ever know why or no?
Nah,
Yeah,
no point in bringing that up.
that's true. That's true. Is it smart to use multiple different props, or just have X amount of accounts on one platform?
Dep-
Uh,
It depends.
yeah, I was gonna say it depends.
Have you gotten a payout before? Otherwise, it makes no sense to keep spreading your money thin and having zero payouts to show for it while spending more money.
Yeah.
Like, my rule of thumb is if you've never received a payout before, right? But you know your trader personality type and your stats, then sure, you could copy trade, right? But on a singular prop and then using that money to reinvest into more accounts. Or if you know that you have more of like a little gambling mindset, all that kind of stuff, then obviously starting with one singular account, which is like the best account, and then working off of that to get more accounts, but never start off with a fuck ton of accounts. And trust me, it's better for us if we say, go every prop. We want your affiliate. Like,
Buy
yeah,
everything.
we are, again, we are transparent. We are honest here. So I'm telling you now, do not spread your money too thin until you can actually have some proof of concept.
Would you recommend me get 20 Apexes, 250Ks? No, because you just full port.
Yeah. And the thing with 250 is that it's intraday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You're not even good enough for end of day.
Yeah. Now I'd say if you're confident in like your discipline and actually trading properly,
We're approaching
getting
that
a
550 that I was looking for.
yeah, no, we literally that was perfect TA. We sucked up, tested that 50, closed below it, nuked it down to that level. But if you're somebody who you know, isn't just full straight up gambling, who was it in the server? They had like 40, was it Site? He had like 40 something accounts trade copied across multiple props. Yeah, and then he got a payout, right? Which his payout was, what was it? It was like 50 something K.
That one was Colton.
Oh, that was Colton. Yeah.
But Colton and CT both copy trade.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out both of them.
Yeah, copy
Absolute
trading is huge. Like think about it like this: if on one account you can just follow your rules, trade properly, and get one payout, all copy trading is it like you're doing the same shit. You
Just
just now have
leverage.
multiple. Yeah, you're just leveraged.
Look at Rams, right? Rams had 10 accounts, got max payout on all of them, got a 20K payout.
Mm-hmm.
Like it just depends on your personality type and how willing you are to actually treat this serious.
And your mental. Like, is you knowing that you have like 40 accounts or 20 accounts gonna like change how you trade?
Yeah.
Hit that short W mouse bag.
There's a good thought process behind it that we were talking about in office. Do you look at a loss as, oh, I lost $500, or do you look at it like I lost 500 on 5 accounts, therefore I lost 2,500?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because when you're looking at profits, I guarantee you guys multiply it. And you guys are like, holy shit, I made $20,000 today. If it was on 20 accounts, you made 1K. But when you lose 1K across 20 accounts, do you guys look at it like, man, I just lost 20,000? If you look at it in terms of the bigger number always, then you're actually good. You're on the right side of it. But when you're only skewing the data, right, to have a positive bias, then that's where you kind of get screwed up because that's how gamblers think.
Yeah. Like right now I'm rocking 20 Apexes. I look at it as one account. Like it doesn't change how I trade whatsoever. But the easiest way to look at copy trading is like if you've ever gotten a payout, like let's say a max payout of like $1,500 on one account, that's a 15K payout on 10 accounts. For like literally the same thing that you just did. Gotta get over 585 for longs. Sellers sitting there. 585. I mean, at this point, I'd want just above 600 anyway.
Boom. Just tap that 550. So my range is at 542. I've just been saying 550 just because it's easier to round. You guys can obviously see my chart right here. Oh, wait, it's actually even on this one right here, that gold line.
Mm-hmm.
Staying patient. I haven't entered anything. John, you enter
Me
anything?
neither. Nope.
Yeah, so just be patient, guys. You don't always have to be inside of the market.
So funny. It's actually a perfect example. Like we literally perfectly did TA on these shorts,
Mhm.
but it's like not our strat. Like it's not our entry criteria
Yeah.
to enter them.
Was it good? Sure. Right? But it doesn't align with our given trade plan, so there's no reason for us to take it.
Because even if we would hit profit, it would just skew all our stats, and then
Yeah.
we wouldn't actually know what's going on. Shit, I forgot to screen record my thought process. Do you guy trade Asia? I personally don't.
I do, but very seldomly.
Yeah, it depends. It depends on how you're trading, like what your strat is. Like, is your strat profitable in Asia? If so, then yeah, you should trade it.
Like I showed you guys at the start of the day, I had a trigger in London at 12, literally right at midnight, and it hit profit target pretty perfectly all the way up to that 50% gap fill.
Asia has honestly
What a
been cooked for
beautiful
a move.
bounce, guys. I literally called out that fucking bounce point.
Mm-hmm. That's a nice 50-point bounce, basically. Like 48 points, 47.
Yeah.
I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, Squidward, Squidward.
So I am going to look at a long, if we can hold above that 600 now. I'm going to take it on Vanquish as well. So I'm going to be looking at 715 Cs and 1716 Cs, kind of splitting the difference between those and seeing where I land. If it gets above 600. If not, then no entry, no trigger. My PT is going to be starting off with 650 top of ADR range for the lows. And then if we break that, then it's 690 to 700. So basically 50 points above that first PT.
Everybody answer the poll that I just put. I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, I'm Squidward, Squidward, Squidward. Mm, 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 mm. Bro, even above 600, like, I have so many things in the way.
So resistance.
Yeah. I got a top of the range at 610. I got a CE at 617. Are you in a trade?
Hmm?
Are you in a trade
No,
or
no.
no? Oh.
If it goes above 600, then I will be though.
Shrek God, what a seller are you talking about? Who you talking to? Who you talking to, Shrek?
I think he's saying
Oh,
like
wow, a lot of people.
if I enter, what would be
Oh,
my SL? SL would have to be adjusted, so it has to be below that given structure that she's just created. This
most people would like a heavier discount for Lucid. If we could do like a custom sponsored stream with a timed discount,
Mhm.
that'd be pretty dope. Pretty dope. I actually don't mind today to not even enter a trade. Like, if I don't see shit on a no news Monday with such a heavy news week. Ow, fuck. My legs. Not available. You're late. Let's get some L's in the chat for not available, being late.
Oh,
El Bozo.
3.
L not available. He was not available. It's true. World Cup.
What are you laughing at, Raham? 3, 4, 5.
World Cup. Perks of having this name. That's not a perk. You still should be available.
All right. I'm gonna put a trigger for 6:15:25 in case it does get that pop. But honestly, looks pretty damn flat right now.
Dun, dun. Just gotta wait for that proper setup.
Yep.
That's all it is.
There's 550 again. Again, 542 was that range. So if we crack that, which it looks like it wants to test it right now, then that puts us below our Asia low. Well, our full low, to be honest. Just not our kill zone. Still flat.
Mm-hmm. Look at all these people in Discord, man. All these beautiful people waiting for an absolutely bangerific, definitions, all the girls so delicious trade. Let's go. Is
I'm
that
gonna
Ace in
retest.
WWE? Yo, Yeti. You know what I need? I need a good morning gif. That's like one that's missing. It needs to be funny. Like maybe if I'm like an auctioneer or something. Elaborate. I just need something I could send in the morning to say good morning to everybody, you know? Be creative, make it funny. But it needs to at least just say good morning.
That was a nice retest of 550 and that accumulation high at 542. So it still needs to hold under here. But again, I would rather look long than on the short side. But as of right now, full structure for this given session is short.
For me, above 610 would be longs.
Yep. And I have my trigger at 615 in case we do get a pop. I want to catch some of that momentum, but it's almost 100 points away from where it currently is.
Mm-hmm. Which, I mean, we have an ATR of 40, so it's not that far. When you put it in perspective, it's like 2.5 candles.
Yep.
Yeti, make JJ's face the sun in Teletubbies. That's actually great. They make me the Teletubby sun, baby sun, and then make me say good morning. And then I don't know, how can we make it more Prophubby? That's a good start though. Good start. We're gonna try to get a custom discount for Lucid for you guys. Chad, anybody taking a trade yet? You guys green, red, flat, haven't taken a trade, BE, blown an account, PDPT, where are we at? Because me and Ace haven't taken anything yet.
Empty as shit.
Flat, green, green, green and done, flat. Down 180, not much. Flat, green, just look at the short for 310. 14 trades, I understand. Flat. Okay, so majority people are either green or haven't taken a trade. Dope. That's very fire. Love to see it. Green, even though alpha accounts got the Johnson. True. Pre-market longs, WCAM. Love to see that. Very, very beautiful. You see Euro printing on top steppings? Hey, tell him to get in the Discord. Mr. Night Fart. What is his name? Oh, Knife Art. I just
Knife
called him
Art.
I just called him Night Fart. I'm sorry, Mr. Night Art. Come into the Discord. Oh, what did I say? Knife Art? Oh,
You keep saying fart.
I keep saying fart. Mr. Knife Art, get in the Discord so I can rename you Night Fart, please. Who caught the apple? Ooh, did a Marsky alert premium for options? Oh, he did. Apple longs. Oh, he printed. Absolutely printed on options. Halfway on new Lucid Flex, 1/3 profit to pay out for Lucid Pro funded account, and payouts today in 2 Apex days made the most of this price action. Yo, W Gonzalo. Gonzalo's been printing. Yo, Gonzalo, if you were to rate Prophub on a scale of 1 to 13, what would you rate it? 1,000, 10,000 out of 13. It's pretty good. Pretty good rating. 11T7. Oh.
1738.
Ooh, Knife Art is here. Yo, what a legend.
What a legend.
Holy, bro, if we had accounts to give, I'd give him one just for coming.
Hey, yo, what?
Wait, hold on. Stop.
You're the one that said it. Why am I stopping?
It's his first day. Wait. Yo, Knife Art, do you mind if I do that? I just added a little tag to your name. That'll be the forever joke between us of me mispronouncing your name. I said it like 4 times too. I'm actually retarded. All right. Anyway.
So it did reclaim through that 542. So a long wouldn't be bad. Gonna have a little starter position on Vanquish, and then obviously if it cracks below, I'm gonna just cut. But we'll look for a very, very small position here on Vanquish. Again, 715 Cs and 716 Cs, which I told you guys prior as well.
Mm-hmm. Potential for NQ to start flipping bullish.
Mm-hmm.
Still want to see above like
I would
what you
love
said,
to see
basically
it above
615.
like 610, 615. This is our London low right here at 585, and that's also our ADR low range as well. So a full reclaim of that would be really nice, but again, I'm going to take it with a grain of salt. As we approach that 600, going to start to trim some, reduce that risk
On the Vanquish.
on Vanquish. And then let's see if I do get triggered on futures. Moving my SL to BE as well. What a beautiful catch, guys. Look at that.
W to all the options people that took that. www. www.acesofprinter.org.
And those 715s are already ATM, ITM.
Ooh, ATM.
I need to go to an ATM, pull out some money.
Ha. Holy. Holy moly. But where's pasta? Someone get pasta in here.
What an absolute banger. About to get triggered if that pushes. There you go. Triggered.
Mhm.
And let's boom. Look at that, guys. And taking way more on Vanquish. We are now triggered on futures with
beauty.
one singular micro. And let's see what we can do from here.
That's potential.
It does have potential. If you guys want to stay tight, then obviously you could do it. Put your SL where it makes sense. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would say like that 540 is a pretty crucial level. So as of right now, I'm at 535, which is 100 points from where it currently is. And that thing just popped, what is that, 25 points from my given entry. And on Vanquish already, absolute printer day so far on that with
Beautiful.
$1,230, guys.
For NQ, I want to see a break of that 44 to 50.
No more
60
as
even.
well. No more than 10 contracts.
WCAM. Up $2,197. Ace printed 1230 on Vanquish. $1,230. W. Here's that test of that 650 on NQ. I got a CE at
Boom.
55.
Yep. That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. That thing is ripping. Let me
Beautiful.
grab a little bit more off of a Vanquish
Weekly
now.
POC is at 60, eh?
Yep. And I'm about to move my SL into profits now and let this thing just grind through because that is my PT that I told you guys at that 650. I just got triggered. And then if that thing breaks, I will re-enter with a full position.
Mm-hmm.
Nice catch, though, guys.
How many points was that? I saw 40. I saw 40 points.
Yeah, I mean, from Vanquish, that was literally
Yeah.
at the bottom, close to the bottom.
Back in my groove. W kills. Okay, everyone printing, man. Easy longs.
And just took being patient.
Mm-hmm. Super sexy, man. Oi, who's that man over there? Rob up $571. Sexy, sexy, sexy. So it just takes being patient, finding a trade you're confident in, and then banger. Why waste your time and be red before you actually find your good setup? Nice. Chat, who printed off that? Let me see the testimonials. Throw them in the testes chat. I want to see all your testes. Wait, what? Let me go to the testes chat. I got back to the office a little late today, but like the way you are calling these trades, easy to follow.
Appreciate you.
Because Prophub is transparent and actually trade. We're not those people that say we're trimming and you're like, what? But I just entered off your call. How are you already trimming? That makes no sense. 90-point banger, bottom to top. W. And look at that. Perfect TP. Rejected right off that weekly pocket at 60. I just wait for potentials for re-entry. We'll post payouts and testimonials later. Happy to be part of this community. W. Gonzalo.
Let's go.
It always gets me, like, honestly, full truth right here. Me seeing people get payouts and like printing in the server is actually like more exciting than me hitting PDPT on a day. Ooh, is that your Vanquish?
That is my Vanquish.
Withdrawable amount $5,115 payout. Absolutely sexy. Oh yeah, Mike. Mike, open a ticket if you haven't already, and just say that so we don't forget. Absolutely bangerific. The finishes. Super hot fire. I love seeing people print. W Prophub. Make sure you guys use code PHUB for all the best prop discounts. If you
Yes,
type in that code,
sircees.
you're always going to get the highest discount possible. For show.
Always.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram too, at Prophub Trading and at Ace of Trades with 3 S's. And our YouTube. We post long form content and the videos are banger. Ace, how was your weekend?
Exhausting.
Yeah,
Absolutely exhausting. I had
makes
an
sense.
engagement party, plus a wedding, and then obviously with a newborn as well. Things are just hectic right now in my life, guys. And yet I still try to be here for y'all.
True. There's probably a bunch of people in here who didn't even know. Ace is a daddy now. He's a beautiful kid. Baby girl, Daisy.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl.
Is that your bestie? I'm not ice both of y'all. Like what?
Like, what?
Like what? Like Gretzky's. Scottish Barnes. Okay, now I'm done. Yo, WKL's basically up 1,000 on 4 accounts. Duck race? Do we have accounts? If we have accounts, we'll do it.
I don't think we do. I haven't been in
Well, shit.
office, guys, so I couldn't contact the people who need to be
Hey,
contacted.
W Mouse Bag. Good luck on your interview, and glad that you printed.
For real.
Okay, let's just duck race for fun. We could do it after. This 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. chat is like prime time for potential good trades. Just know that. We be waiting.
We be waiting. We be skating.
Baby girl, get this chair out of my fucking face, man.
How dare him?
How dare he put his chair in my gown?
Who
How
does he
dare-
think he is? Production?
Ha! Who does he think he is? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Um,
You know what? I actually want to get a consensus on the type of people in our chat. Who here is like definitely playing GTA 6? I actually want to know. I feel like it's a good baseline question to understand the kind of people that are in chat. Actually, a better question: who doesn't care at all and is not going to be playing GTA 6? That's a good question.
I mean, I have a baby, so I probably will not be.
I'll babysit just so you can play.
But then that means you cannot play.
Fuck, I never thought of that. I won't be playing. Costa doesn't care. Not available is. Adam G has zero interest, even though he spelt it internest. Zero internest. Rob is definitely playing. Trader Joe's doesn't give a shit. RK, not for me. No, I understand. Not a GTA guy. I get it.
Wow, I've never heard of that before.
I get it.
Everyone can have fun on GTA. I truly believe that.
I actually do believe it.
Right?
Yeah.
Like there's something for
Yeah.
someone always on GTA to do.
Like I always see videos of like
You
people
like
people in their
cars?
like 80s
Yeah,
playing GTA
for real.
and like dying of laughter. And it's so funny how different people play. I've seen so many videos of like boyfriends getting their girls to play and they like follow all the rules. They stop they like stop at the red lights and they don't break any laws.
They never have a star in their life.
Baby IRL GTA is fun. Someone call the cops. FBI. Get this guy. Oh, Bully is a fire game. RDR's fire too. Scared the crap out of my kid playing Metal Gear this weekend. Metal Gear's fire. Which one? One of the OG ones or one of the newer ones?
Yo, guys, should we run a server-wide Mecha Chameleon?
Who's down for that?
It's just not fair with John. I will say that, guys. John is literally an artist. You guys want to see the art he did? Yo, Ram, show them the Spider-Man painting that John just did. Like, guys, John literally made this. Marvel picked it up, and now it's a one of 240. Look how insane that is.
Yo, Yeti, what is
I
that?
don't know. I'm saving that though. Why does that? You
Dude,
look fucked.
I look like
DJ Khaled.
I no.
He's never gonna let that down now, baby.
Yo, Yeti, I look like there's something wrong with me genetically.
Yo, you look
I won't be
undiagnosed.
like I definitely look undiagnosed. There's like some genetic thing going on with me in that picture.
Holy shit. My brother is undiagnosed. Please help
You
him.
look like a Loki.
Yo, what the fuck? How do you go from he looks undiagnosed to he looks like a Mar? You're dissing.
Listen, yo.
Holy shit.
Chat, you guys are fucking cooked.
You guys are insane. Wow. I didn't know you guys were like that. Assholes.
Someone ban him. Ban this kid. Get him
Ban
out of
this
here.
guy.
Oh, I like that name in chat. Swa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Swa.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, you guys are funny.
2.
Are you practicing counting?
I am.
It's your ace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you still longs? Yo, Shrek God. If you look at the screen, where it
What do you see?
It shows creative eight. What do you see? Let's play a game. I spy with my little eye. What do you see on the chart? Do you see entries? Do you see BNL movings? Do you see lines? What do you see? It's like Price is Right. I see lines. No, Shrek God, I'm just fucking with you. No, we are not in any trade. I'm just kidding, Shrek God. I'm skidding you.
It would, yeah. If you were still long, it's literally back to that same PT.
Kels's wife wants to trade. He said, I finally had the discussion this weekend. My wife says she wants to trade.
The thing is, Kels, you can only have one person in your household who trades under like each prop. So that was the issue with me and Joe. I mean, that's one of the issues. The other
Yo,
one.
W not available though. As soon as Kel said that, he just said, yes, another Prophub member.
Now let's be real about the reeling. It's because I was trading on everyone's account.
I don't think I have it in me to coach.
Easy to do, and it's not your account.
It's so funny. Anytime somebody like one of my boys or anything comes up to me and is like, I want to start trading, I completely ignore them and like leave them to their own like thing. And then if in like 2 months they're still talking about it and they like actually went on their own and like did research and started learning and shit, then I'm like, all right, I'll help. But I've learned when people say, come up to you and be like, oh, yo, teach me how to trade. All they're saying is, I want to learn how to make quick money fast. And then they usually just give up after a week. Baby girls, it's like asking someone to teach you Spanish. Hola. That's all I know. Hola, amigo. Sí. Biblioteca. Baby girls. Well, PA's become kind of boring, but I do think a break of that 670 will have a nice push. If we get it. So far, this close was not nice. That's French, JJ. Is Biblioteca French? Is that true? I'm pretty sure that's definitely Spanish. Also, you spelt library wrong. This guy said library. Holy. Someone get this guy a teacher. How about biblioteca? Bro, Spanish word for library. Biblioteca. You guys are cooked. Learn English. I mean, learn Spanish. Yo, Yeti, whatever you're using, it's making me look crazy. Like, that is not me. That is my undiagnosed twin.
Excuse me.
Bro, you high on life? Yo, life can't get you that high. That's crazy. That's actually wild. Remember, guys, what I said, 44, that's the top of my range. One of my big ranges. And we keep closing below it. As soon as we get over, that's the potential for a 670 break. And a nice push. JJ, who changed my name? Not available. Bullies old people. I can actually find out. I'm not going to tell you who, but I will find out. Let's see. Ha! I know who it is. Should I snitch? Nah, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you who it is. How about this? If you guess correct on your first guess, I'll confirm yes or no, but you only get one guess. Yes. That was a pretty good guess. I actually would not have told you ever if you guessed wrong. Here we go, going for an actual test. Are we gonna hold above that? Are we gonna hold above on the 2, and are we gonna break that 670?
Yep. That's what I am watching.
Baby girls. 34 seconds until this candle close. Is that your bestie? I'm gonna ice both of y'all, like Gretzky. Yo, chat, who you guys got in the World Cup?
World Cup.
Who you guys got? France, alright. Spain, sadly. England, France. We got a lot of France people. Ukraine? I don't know if they made it. I don't know. I don't think I saw them in the bracket. France. Damn. Everybody just loves Mbappe. Yo, Kels, I'm with you. I want Argentina to win.
Oh,
Sue
that's why
me.
you don't think it's rigged.
Sue me. I want Messi to win back to back. He's the GOAT.
This makes
He's
sense.
all-time GOAT. Absolute all-time GOAT, and it's not even close. Don't even bring up Ronaldo. That's just embarrassingly wrong. We're not even in the same universe. Iran? I don't think they made it either, brother. Sorry to tell you.
Like they're
Oh,
whoa,
look at that.
juicy.
That rejection. Yo, isn't that crazy? We got a candle close right below my 44, and then, I mean, this looks like a news candle. So I'm not going to take credit. But I'm just saying, we didn't get the close, and then we nuked. Let me see. Any news? Is Trump yapping? Is Trump yapping? I do not see anything. I don't see any app. World Cup. 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 Very interesting. I don't see any news. Anybody see any news? I don't see shit from my sources. Damn. Is that real?
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna try to catch a bounce here. Off of that, SL is at today's lows, so it is risky, obviously. Risking $420 off of this, with the PT being that 590 to 560. That's where I'm going to reduce, and only looking for roughly 30 to 35 points. Currently down 20, so negative R, but I actually don't mind this at all if it can hold.
Mm-hmm. What happened, JJ? Oh, when I said damn, I
If
saw.
it does go below, I would say 630 or 530 to 520, it does pretty much invalidate pretty quick. So I would just be careful there. It did test 580 ish, so right around 20 points of profit, but just size appropriately, guys. Be smart.
No, user. I just saw a fake photo of Connor's knee X-ray. But it was fake. I had to check. Yeah, I watched it. But that sucked.
You mean watch 4 seconds of it?
Yeah, that sucked. That's like so unlucky. Like I saw videos of him in
There
training.
we
He
go,
was literally doing
guys.
those kicks.
Feel free at that 580 to honestly get dynamic if you want with the amount that you want to trim out.
Yeah, this is
Um,
testing ADR low.
Yeah, because it is a test right now and about to get filled. Wow. I was what, a couple points shy of getting filled? Boom, filled. Beautiful. And now I only have one trigger left, and I'm moving that SL all the way to
Mhm.
529 now. So still having risk on this last one for the potential.
The potentials. For the potentials. I'd love it to close above 83. He's gonna get it. Ooh, it just got it. I think it has the little potentials for pushings.
There's that
It's at
600.
600.
Yep.
Wait, Kels, is that real?
And you guys can see how well this accumulation range is holding price up, guys.
You see what Trump just said?
What do you say?
Trump just said they're taking the Strait of Hormuz. Hmm.
Wild works.
Redonkulous. Absolutely redonkulous.
I'm gonna move SL to in profit actually. If this thing
Yeah, the
rejects,
600 rejection can be
yeah.
pretty aggressive.
Okay, I just got tapped out. So currently up $189 per account right now.
Beauty. Trump on
And
Iran. USA will be known as guardian of Hormuz Strait, but will be reimbursed at rate of 20% on all cargo shipped. Yeah, and then in 30 minutes, he's going to say, just kidding. Ha
signed an agreement. We are at peace.
ha.
We've done it again.
5 minutes later, we've been attacked. Bro, I had SL for minus 347. Fuck Trump. Yeah.
Yeah, that probably screwed up a lot of people.
Yeah. That's how it is, man.
And it's still within range. That's the crazy part. So, gotta be careful.
World Cup. Yo, Pasta, how cooked are your legs right now? Bro, I'm literally walking up the stairs like an old man. Your legs are fine. Your back is cooked though. Yeah, for me it's both. My legs and my back are cooked.
Pasta, we have a video of John walking into office, and it looks like he got absolutely railed up the cheeks. Like, that is the only way to put it.
That's a terrible way to put it.
Yeah, man, that's the only way to put it. That's how railed you
Yo,
look.
W Shrek God. Nice profits, brother. But we ripped those jet skis.
Send that
It
to the
was
group
so
chat,
choppy.
Bram. You know which one?
Yeah, me and Pasta and a bunch of other people took jet skis on Saturday. We had them for 2 hours and it was so choppy. So it was literally just fucking like boom, boom, boom.
You know what they say about chop, right?
All
There's
right.
no point of entering when it's in range. It's just accumulation.
Yeah, dude, I lost my fucking sunglasses, and so did Jacob, and so did Pasta.
Yeah, I saw, but Pasta freaking bought one off of a man's face, no?
Allegedly. It's all alleged. Bro, I
Allegedly.
actually had some banger glasses, and they are
Is it
now.
the one that you brought to Colombia?
No, it was new ones that I just got like a couple weeks
Oh,
ago.
railed.
They were Cartier Aviators.
Oh,
And it was
railed.
yeah, and it was the first time I had. And dude, I had them on, and I was ripping the jet ski, and it was fine. But I allegedly I ended up in the actual
Okay.
lake.
Did I tell you that what happened to me the last time I was on a speedboat in the States?
Mm.
Lost my wallet.
What?
I had put it right on the side. Mr. Captain didn't want to tell me he was about to rip it. I just see my wallet go, phew, and I'm like, yeah, that thing is gone. I still have my Apple AirTag on it, and it literally says in the middle of the freaking lake.
Yeah, my Cartiers are at the bottom of Lake Ontario. So
Rip.
R.I.P. It is what it is. And Jacob's glasses are also at the bottom of Lake Ontario. And then we told
That
Pasta.
thing's trying to pop again, guys.
Hey, we met up with Pasta, and we told him, bro, our glasses are gone. And he laughed. And then 10
And then
minutes
Lucius
later,
says,
his glasses are gone.
Rip bozo. That's a rip bozo. Guys, look at this pop right now.
Yeah, fuck Pastas.
Nice pasta.
He was laughing at us. And then 5 minutes later, he lost his glasses.
I don't
RIP.
trust the pop until we are above this previous structure. So where our old PT was, right around 550 to 560. Next levels after that is literally your 700, 650 to 660. Next levels after that is 690 to 700, and your true day open or your current session open.
Dude, I want to close above 44, which we've been trying since like 10 a.m. And I want to push above 70.
For you? For you? Sure. I can make that happen.
What?
You're welcome.
Have you done it again?
Watch this. Boom. See? Told you.
You are.
That was actually
welcome.
insane. That pop was actually wild.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. I told you. I went on Sunday to Lake Simcoe. Oh, shit. I used to be at Lake Simcoe all the time. Back in my younger days. Back in my days when I was like 14. Yeah, Pasta, I'm cooked. I'm telling you. I'm actually shy. I'm going to wait for this candle close and then I'm going to enter along. No cap.
I like that.
No cap dizzle.
I'm trying to see what I can get
But I need to get
on
the close.
Vanquish if we do get that close.
World Cup. World Cup. Come on, give me a good close. Give me a good close. Good enough for me. I'm in the long. That's what I wanted.
Wait, what?
That's what I wanted. What do you want from me? I told you it's what I wanted. And my TP is 733. Basically that wick. So yeah, like 730. 731. My entry is 655. So that is a good, quick math, 80 points ish. 677 or something. Not bad. I am greens. I am currently green. Definitely need to break that 700 for show.
Yep.
But I like the longings. I'm out by W underwater whales of $4,228.
For real.
Throw that bish in testimonials. Show off your testes.
Wait, what?
What? All right. Okay, pasta. All right. We're testing previous day highs here. Where's that lows? Am I tripping? That's previous day lows. We're testing previous day lows here.
Mhm.
Also got weekly anchored at 694. Got some potential stoppages. But after all this time, I do like that close. World Cup. World Cup. I would love this trade. You have any triggers you're looking at?
I'm just above that 700 still. So I'm still chill right now, especially since I made a little bit of profit already. Just trying to take it a little slower and wait for a little bit more confirmation now. There we go. Nice pop.
I like how we're holding, but we really do need to break that previous day low. And then the 700. But I think percentage-wise, Prophub actually has the most profitable community.
I gotta agree with you.
We're not the biggest, but I actually do think we are the most profitable. I love you guys. Trader Joe's, I love you too.
Trader Joe's, you've done it again.
You've done it again. All seriousness.
That's a nice pop right there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That's sexy.
I'm
Right.
currently printing.
Let's see what else I can get off of this Vanquish, guys.
That's 45 points. That's testing 700
So,
here.
back in on Vanquish.
Good place to take trims or move your SL up. I'm going to keep my risk on. So I do think we can pump another 30-ish points if we break that 700.
Look at that. Come on. Get the break.
Well, look at Ace of Trades. They realized $5,368. W options, W Vanquish. I do like how we are actually holding this test of 700.
I feel like I was only really on Vanquish because that person said, "Hey, you still trade options?" Well, let me show you what I can.
$5,000.
Let me show you what I can do on Vanquish, good
By the
sir.
way, he is eligible for over a 5K payout. So that's real money's right there. Ooh, I like that close. I'm about to hit TP. I got my trigger in at 731. Getting really close. Dragging myself a little higher. Do you want to see it? Bushings. Break that 720. Break this. We're testing really hard here. I'm literally dragging SL tight.
Nice.
I have it in at 710.
Yep.
If I get taken out, I get taken out.
That is our open
That's like 60 points.
print right there for our New York session. Top of my range now is 750. We've been working off of 50 point intervals. So not
Is he
bad.
gonna tap me out? Is
I'm
he
actually
gonna tap me
going to
out?
trigger in. So John's about to get out, but I'm about to get in.
Shit, man. Bow. W.
W.
I was patient. Took my shit.
He
Look
was
at those
patient.
profits, baby.
He was patient. He was kind.
Let's go. That's previous month pocket 722 right there also.
Yep.
Good takes. Good
So I'm
takes.
only in with one micronial. Again, deeper SL than what you guys are probably used to with 100 points. But when you're dealing with an ATR that's literally at 50, that's what two candles right there that it could easily just take
Mm-hmm.
you out in.
Yo, who took that with me? 70 points. Who took it? Who printed?
Not financial advice, but who took it?
W not available. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just tell you what I do. But who took it? Got it. W one way. W not available. I definitely do think it has room to go up, but that was
It needs
good.
to hold 700 though.
Yeah.
If it can't hold 700, I am easily exiting pretty early. So you know what? I'm actually going to move my SL higher because I wouldn't even want to be in it if it does hold underneath. But I wanted
What's
to
your
at
SL at?
least be able to test 639.50.
Ooh, I was looking at 635.
Yeah.
Basically the same. Good trade. Thanks, guys. W one way. Put it in testimonials, baby. Let's go. Good shit, Costa. Jimmy, $6,688. Absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely done it again.
Absolutely bangerific.
Absolutely done it again.
But yeah, I am currently in nothing. But that was a banger long. Absolutely banger.
World Cup.
This looks like a pretty good hold of weekly anchored
Looks like a pretty good
so far, at
hold
least.
of World Cup.
Not available. I need my green. Not available. What's your entry? Did you get in with me at 55? Fill
Imagine
my
someone
TP
still
with your.
holding my initial entry all the way at the bottom. That would be fucking wild.
Oh, off that like 50?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like 100 and it's like 140 points ago. 58? It's pretty good. You don't like 70 points? I'm just kidding. That's what I had, made 1,600. Dude, 1,600 euros. Basically $1 billion. Hey, Costa held it. He took your 550.
W.
Good shit. That's all it takes, chat. We sat here for like an hour. Not an hour, like 40 minutes, 30 minutes ish.
There we go.
Didn't take shit. Just
Nice
waited.
little retest. I wanted above today's open print, which is 710. So if we can stay above 710, I am nice and gravy. Gravy. KFC chicken.
That's Scotty $500, Underwater Whales $4,228, Rob $773, Tapwater $1,470, Underwater Whales $979, and then we had Euro who traded last night, Asia $1,400 on 5 accounts, Jimmy Rigger $6,688. Testimonials chat is pumping.
I do have a little add in at 722.
Tutus for tree.
Exactly. That's exactly why I did it. John knows. John knows.
Regardless of what happens though, W day.
Yeah, for real.
Everybody should be green NFA. Like if you NFA, followed us NFA, don't follow us NFA, not financial advisors NFA, then everyone's green. Make it go till 735 is actually like my final TP for that specific trade. There is a CE at 28.25. So if you were to like undercut a TP, it would be there.
If you were to World Cup.
World Cup. You see Togi put like a 150k bet. I think it was he has a parlay and like so far it's been hitting and his payout is like 600k.
On Argentina.
It was like a full parlay. Like it was like Argentina to win, France to win,
Mm.
some other shit. I don't know if he still hit it, but they need to cook more. Well, we are holding this. We're like in between weekly anchored and previous month POC.
Yeah. And if it doesn't hold 700.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll give it a little bit of room. 72. If it doesn't hold 72, which is our previous day low, then I'm not the biggest fan of it for sure. There it goes. There's 72 test.
Mm-hmm. We never like honestly, it could go as low as weekly POC. Who's cam? Oh, your cam. What happened?
Hopefully not overheat.
But there's the thing on it. What?
It wasn't plugged in.
Oh, but we have another battery, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just cam is black. How is that a live leak video? Like, you know what I mean? 72 also POC of prior 15 candle. I understand. Just looking at wicks, like this thing could test 63, and then it could even test the 55 POC. Like this does have room for a pullback and still look bullish.
Yep.
But shit, I'm happy I took my trim. I mean, not trim, I took full. I just took my TP like 710. What happened with Alpha Futures?
Okay.
Trade of it, right? I'm like a little lost right now.
Look at that pop down, guys. And close to that 50, I'm actually going to potentially add in.
Yeah, I'm happy I wasn't on alphas. For real, for real. There's that weekly POC test.
Yep. Fuck, I missed my add in. I
S-
was too focused on Vanquish.
Reclaim of previous day low is needed.
Added
That
in
weekly
one
anchor
there,
would be peak.
guys. Cost average is 69275. Yeah, at 703 now. I actually brought it down because then that would be a nice retest that I just did.
World Cup. I'm about to play football. World Cup. So like they hired Homelander to do their marketing. Football? Yeah, football. Yo, chat, I've been ripping FIFA lately. So fun. I was like never a FIFA kid. I like basically never ever played FIFA. Like I did, you know what I mean? Like you go over to someone's house, you run a game, but I never played it. So now I'm like hitting that FIFA.
You're getting your fix in.
Yeah, I'm getting that FIFA fix that I missed from like 10 years ago. Pretty fire playing Ultimate Team. Yeah, Costa, I actually agree. And my Ultimate Team is looking sick. I got Neymar, Alvarez, Messi at the front. I got Beach as the goalie. Got a bunch of other players too, but I forget. But they're good.
I can put this R to R on screen now that it's 2 micros. And 92.
I got Pele. But everyone got Pele.
275.
Yeah, that Alvarez goal was nasty. That goal and then the Capo Verde goal from that guy, I think those are the two best goals of the World Cup so far. For sure, for sure. Retested weekly anchored, got a close above previous day low. So now we're just like in between.
Yeah, literally.
Gotta see, are we gonna hold? Are we gonna lose the previous day low, or are we gonna reclaim weekly anchored? If we reclaim weekly anchored, I think we for sure break that previous month POC and have a pretty nice push.
33 is my adjusted SL here. Which I honestly, I wouldn't mind going a little lower.
33.
Yeah. Wouldn't mind going a little lower just to let it breathe.
Like what? Like 15
Yeah.
type shit. World Cup. World Yup. Chat, what'd you think about stream today? Printer day or what? I told you guys we're gonna print on a Monday. No news Monday.
If I ever lose you,
Eric,
baby,
you're banned. You're banned, Eric.
leave some morphine at my door.
No marble race, no duck race. Bruh.
Mm.
Duck race ain't making me no money. You know what I'm saying?
Still at that 650, which is obviously a crucial level. And that was the PT of that first trade. So just waiting to see where we respond from here.
Yeah, below that 50 is looking not too good.
I agree.
Would you rather be double your height or half your height?
Definitely. I think I'd rather be double.
You'd rather be double?
Yeah.
So you're gonna be like basically 12 feet tall?
Yeah.
Do you think it's harder to live life at 12 feet tall or at 3 feet tall?
I don't want to be a midget, bro.
Double easy NBA contract, yo, low key. 12 feet tall, you can look down into the rim. That's kind of broken.
Yeah, but I mean, like, your distance for dribble is fucking cooked.
Yeah, and also
Your
you probably can't walk properly.
yeah. Back is just broken, bending always, everywhere you go.
Dude, I don't know. 12 feet is kind of crazy.
It's pretty fat rejection off of that weekly anchored, all the levels that we had at the top now. So now that we're under this 650, I might have to exit here and then just re-enter if it does reconfirm. But
Yeah, we
letting
need
it
to
breathe
reclaim.
just for this minute and then we'll see.
Need a reclaim of that weekly pock at least.
Yep. And if we can get that, then that will look really good.
Look what you did. P-Hub status. What? What am I looking at?
What?
What happened?
What?
What happened? Okay, I have actually a really good question. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather $100 million or you become Spider-Man?
100 mil. Yeah. It is at 6:30 now.
Yeah,
So
whatever,
in a
Spider-Man.
little bit of drawdown for the day. It's fine.
No
$50,
cap.
$60. This is why you guys don't oversize, okay? And just average down to average down. Just let the trade breathe. Let it do its thing.
No
I'll
cap.
laugh if this thing goes green, and everything I just said is insanely valid. It's still valid even if it goes to SL. But at least I let it fully invalidate.
Your chat, you guys would actually take 100 mil over being Spider-Man? Talking about you get everything. All the powers. Look, it's a valid question, I can't lie. 100 mil? Yeah, give me the money. I would literally choose Spider-Man. Chat, if I became Spider-Man tomorrow, I'd literally quit Prophub, I'd move to New York, get a shitty apartment, and I'd just be Spider-Man.
Pretty
I'd, be-
simple, you
I'd
know,
even
guys?
I'd even get my day job as a photographer. Like just play the part. You know what I mean? It's easy to say when you get payouts. But being Spider-Man, I think you guys are underestimating how fun it would be to be Spider-Man. Like I guarantee you, swinging around New York City is more fun
About
than
to get
driving a Bugatti.
tapped. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, and ooh,
Peak SL?
peak SL?
Peak
Question mark?
SL?
Question mark?
Peak SL? Sucky sucky?
Nope, and tapped out. And that is fine, guys.
It's all
Down
good.
127 doll hairs, but absolutely green on Vanquish right now.
Look at Shrek God. Yeah, but then Eric, you're just a rich cosplayer. Just because you have the suit doesn't mean you're Spider-Man. Because I guarantee you, swinging around the city, way more fun than driving a Lambo. Like guaranteed. Lambos would be boring if you could actually swing.
I'm gonna put in a trigger at 61, guys. Did that touch 600? What I was waiting for. Just went shy of.
If I have to tell you, babies,
Have you been leaving some morphines at my doors?
at my doors, at my doors. But look at this from the jet ski.
Hmm. In there.
From because it was bouncing so much because it was so wavy, it kept hitting the like the inside of the fucking handle.
Mm. I understand.
Yeah. What jet ski were you reading? I can't read.
Look at that sucky.
I don't even know what it's called, to be honest. I just know it was ridiculously fast. Like it was high key, way too fast. But I still ripped it full speed. I'm not gonna lie, I love Spider-Man. He's my all-time favorite. But after learning a little bit about trading. Bye guys. Bye Shrek God. W Day. Love to see that you're green. And enjoy the rest of your Monday, brother. Brother?
But I,
Brother.
brother from
That's suck up
another
though.
mother. I know, for real.
Yeah, bro, but like what was it? Here, let's see if I can actually find what it was.
Just, yeah. A little too tight on the SL. I
Was it
wanted to
this?
re-enter at 600, went to like 603.
Hmm.
It's my favorite quote. Nothing stops you from re-entering. It stopped me from re-entering, actually. I know.
Not available. I'm trying to find what it is. I know how much it cost because we asked the guy. That one we were riding was like 26,000. It was like kind of cooked. It was very fast.
Pushing to the limits. Are we in it to
Push
win
it to
it?
the
In it
limit.
to win it. Oh, yeah.
Push it to the limits.
I'll push and I'll push. I'll ride and I'll ride.
Was it this one? Ah. Push it to the limit. Bang.
Mm-mm.
Oh, Loki, I think it was this one. The Fish Pro Sport. Was it
Trying to
this one?
grind right now, guys.
Hmm.
Hasn't given too much just yet. Just shy of 20 points. Still trying to grind on futures.
Shit, not available. I don't know. It was fast. It was the fast one.
It was the fast one.
It
Just
was the
believe it.
fast one. You just have to believe it and choose it
There's
and
your
lose it.
previous day low as well, guys. So if you guys want to get dynamic or start to trim, that's completely up to you. But for myself, it looks like it's going to come soon. There we go. Nice push.
That's weekly anchored right there.
Yep. And moving my SL up. Back green on the day, barely. And then if that cracks 700, I do want to re-enter.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a trigger at 703, which sucks because it's not like a full test. But it's enough to make you wonder.
Oh, puck this, puck Trump L trades WP Hub. I'm out. W not available. Later, brother.
Later, brother.
Later, brother. Push it to the limit. Bow.
Nice.
Ooh, I might be getting a trigger on along. I might enter with you, brother.
Nice.
I'm a little late, but it's okay.
You're not late. Use adjusted.
I'm here. Real for real. Oh man, I accidentally added 2 zeros. That shit said 600 cons. Relax. Relax. Relax.
Relax and take note. As I take tokes from the marijuana smokes. Don't choke. Don't choke.
I think it's Gunsmoke, isn't it? Oh, we can't say that on TikTok.
Yeah, as you said it.
Shit. Later not available. And we didn't get the close for my long. I gotta wait now.
Now he has to wait.
Gotta run catchy tonight. Congrats to the green people. W Kells.
W cows.
Later. Love seeing it. All the Prophub people green. Absolutely beautiful.
Let's see if I get triggered back in at 7:03, guys.
Push it to the limit. Bum, 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 bum. What a W day. We are the best in the world. Da-da-da-da-da. Push it to the limit. Because I'm in it, doing it.
In it, doing it. Oh yeah.
Push it to the limit, limit.
Let's see here. Came back to that previous day low. Still getting pinned by that weekly anchored, guys.
Mm-hmm. What's your entry, Ace?
7:03.75 is my trigger.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you basically made back all
Yeah. I mean, I was
of
green,
the
but
loss.
I let that last one breathe a little.
Yeah. Push it, push it. Yo, Rams, look at this real quick. See that guy dodge? Oh, that. I know, that's crazy. We're all in this together. Don't you know if we hold 56, I think we'll be good. What, user? Why are you putting dots? What do you think this is? Hmm? What do you think this is, right? Another account? But you gotta chill. How many cons were you in? Be honest. Let me hear it. 7 minis? I understand. Micros? What was your entry? There's no way that was micros. That's a lie. Scalping with 50 micros?
We're all in this
I
together.
only had 300 to draw down. Okay, that makes sense.
Wait, you only had $300 of drawdown, but yet you used 7 micros?
Yeah, I'm saying that makes sense as why he blew the account. See, it's funny. People think when you have less drawdown, you should enter heavier so that you can like make more back, but it's actually the opposite.
The complete opposite.
Literally the opposite.
You're supposed to build your drawdown again so that you can actually size into your actual
Proper
strats.
trades.
Yeah.
But it is what it is, man. Shit.
It is what it is, what it is, what it isn't.
But if we get a close above that 700 again, I think we'll for sure push. I'm like so confident. As long as we just keep this structure. It's so funny. I remember a long time ago somebody said, "Yo, how come your TA keeps changing?" It's because the chart's moving, brother. Like, you know what I mean? The chart moves, which actively changes things. Like if we nuke down 200 points right now, I'm less confident in momentum coming on a break of 700.
Mm-hmm. Especially since we got pinned how many times now by that 700?
Yeah, but like right now, currently with this structure, we are squeezing. So now I'm confident that there will be momentum above 700. It moves? Please explain. Yeah, guys, if you didn't know, the chart moves, right? The chart is active. It's not just a screenshot.
All in together.
Bro, I actually look like an old man walking. Dude, you even caught my knee buckling. I remember that happening. That is so funny. Let us see.
Use volume. I don't know if I'm saying anything in it. If you are going to share with them.
Literally just gonna show it on the thing. Here, look at this. He literally caught my knee buckling. Is that Amar? Fuck you, man. Alright, here we go. Testing weekly anchored again. Shit.
Yeah, I was recording.
No, it's TikTok.
Um,
TikTokings. Alright, now from here, if we go back below 628, I think it's done. I think the potentials will be gone. If we break this 700, the potentials are back on.
what's that?
Break the 700, the potentials are back on. Love you, JJ. Huh, Eric, I'll think about it. I'm out like a fat kid in dodgeball. See y'all tomorrow. Later, Zonk.
Later.
Later, brother. Later, brother.
Do you have a trigger in or no? Do you wait for the close? Surge
I
on?
wait for the close.
There. I do have a trigger in.
But discretionarily, I 100% think you could have a trigger
Yeah.
in for this.
I would argue it should be a little higher, like a 711. That's where it was prior. But it's still at 703.
That's what I'm looking at. 703.
Yep.
Pretty good. Pretty good trigger for a long on NQ. Your SL doesn't even have to be that far either.
No.
We're all in this together. Here we go. Here's the test. Getting close. Will we pump come true? Testing that 700 again. The song again? Was it you that got that song stuck in my head?
Maybe. Oh.
Getting close.
Oh, that was so close. 702, 1 point away from getting filled.
That's, it's a good fill. Didn't have the pop yet. Oh, it was you. Watch that pop on that break.
Watch that pop in that break.
Hamna. Hi, how is everyone doing? Fusca, you're late, brother. You missed it.
Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Everyone's green as fuck.
Green.
Everyone's green
There we
as
go,
fuck.
guys. There's the push.
Break that high.
Break the high.
Break that high, and we going.
Boom.
I just entered. I got my trigger.
Nice. Look
Absolutely
at that
beautiful.
thing trying to go now, guys.
I'm going for 815.
Look at that thing rip, baby. Come on.
Told you. Told you guys.
Come on.
Ace
My top.
told you.
Yep.
I told you.
Top of my range is actually close to where that
I
candle
missed
just went.
nothing.
Just 2 points shy.
Goat.
So I am going to put in a fill for 47 and just let that last one ride. And it's getting there, so you guys could get dynamic 7 points shy. Have fun with it. Come on, Vanquish. Come on, Vanquish. Back to 5K green on Vanquish. Yeah, I'm not going to get greedy on that last few points. And boom. Letting that last con ride. It's a nice pop, to be honest. We do have our week or our monthly anchored right at 760 as well. So few
I'm printing,
levels,
brother.
moving my SL up into profits, but nice 50 pointer right there, guys.
Mm-hmm.
As the top of my range, as you guys can see.
756 to 765. We need to break that. Look at Rob. $1,373. Absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely sexy.
Absolutely bang. Now, if this candle sucks back down and closes below like 24, I hate it. Just let you know. We also got monthly anchored at 61. So that range is a good range for trim skis. No cap.
Yep.
No cap. $92 from passing another 50K eval. Beauty. Absolutely beautiful. We're all in this together. Yeah, I'm gonna just hold this shit to my TP. For real. 815. 800 to 815. That's my final TP. Now this definitely needs to hold on the 3 above
Yep.
that 24, 25, 30 seconds. Otherwise, I'm just less confident in it. Doesn't mean I'll sell, but it does mean my conviction is less.
I agree with you. I agree with
Conviction. 10 seconds.
But we are now back green on the session no matter what now, guys.
Mm-hmm. All right, I actually like that close. Now it's just a hold. On some tight shit. What's ES doing? Very interesting. Not much. Huddle. It's a huddle situation. I have myself at 626. If I get tapped out,
I wanted above
I get tapped out.
737, which was our morning Prince wick.
7 what?
737, that's our morning print wick.
Yeah. If we reclaim that monthly anchored, we have room.
I might get tapped out here,
room.
guys, but doesn't mean the trade isn't valid. Whoa, look at that.
What?
It was half a point to my SL at 717. I know. I just wanted to see how many points that was.
What a great SL. Look at that flip green wick push.
Yep.
There you
And
go.
there we are, testing above that 737.
No,
Failed
flip
to
more.
fully close through it, so still waiting.
Flip more greens. Flip more greens.
Flip the ones up the grids.
Flip it to the limit.
Oh, I got tapped out. That's okay. Still doesn't mean that, again, that it's not valid, but anything could happen.
Flipping while shitting.
Man, I still like it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, I do still like it. I don't mind this retest. Especially if we hold that 700.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're looking pretty good.
703 again. I would honestly re-enter all over again.
Cause we in it to win it.
I'd even raise it 705. I'm gonna do it, guys. I have a trigger for 705 for a re-entry off of this initial longs that we've been trying to catch all day long, and we have caught, but you know what I mean?
I know what you mean, I know what you mean, I know what you mean. But do you know what I mean?
What do you mean, actually?
Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Never behaving here
Oh,
in
I got
P Hub.
triggered.
Type shit.
Let me put my SL. So we are green right now, very slight.
You know, for me, honestly, as long as we hold the 700,
Nice little sucky
chilling.
suck.
Reclaim that previous month POC. Mm-mm. 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 Let me check any updates on testimonials. Pretty good. But I need to go to the washroom again.
Do it, baby.
Dude, look how annoying this is. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
I had an add-in at 0175. What did it even hit? 02. I missed it by 0.25. Fantastic.
If I had it. This thing is a sitting duck right now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't mind it at all, though. No cap. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Let me adjust the SL on screen for you guys,
Bro, I need to go to the washroom.
just because this is a new leg. Do it up.
All right, I'll be back. No cap.
Oh, you guys get to see him walk.
No.
He's pretending to walk with that swagger. With that what? Might have another add-in, guys, at 7:15:50. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how the wind blows. Rejecting through that 700. Careful here, guys. Here's my performance account, Vanquish. Log in. Why did it log me out? Question. Who's green? Who's red for today's session? Who's green? Green as fuck, Rob said. Let's go. Let's go. We wavy. Buffett said he green for today. He's wavy. Who else is green? Who else is red? Be honest. Where's my tung tung? I didn't post that yet. Tung 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 sahur. So it's still testing that weekly anchored. Nice. Sucked up above it. Again, I would like to see it above 710. 710 is where that structure starts from our open print. So if we can head above our open print and have a push through, I do have a trigger at 715. I could even drop to 710, but this thing is looking to seek lower. And we do have our previous day low right there at 82. Be careful, my friends. Rem said, watch the sucky. I'm watching, Rems. Oh, it's kind of working. Literally a full touch of that Asia low here at 82. There's that 700 test. I heard if we're quiet, it won't hear us. There we go. Trying to push. Can it get the full reclaim? There we go. And let's see if I get the trigger at 715 or if it's just holding us because we are green again above 700 because my fill was 705. And then I have another one set for 715, which it just failed at 714.50. These are good SLs and good PTs right now, guys. Good add-ins. Boom, filled at 717 right now. Let's see what magic we can get for the rest of these, huh, Rams? Is at 48.50. That went shy all the way to 45. 44.75. Ooh, a little suck down afterwards. Hi, John. It went above 700 for a little good while. Still sitting there, actually. At 704.
All right.
I need to adjust my SL.
You think I'm gonna be Bully Maguire? For reals? For reals? For reals?
I would love it for it to hold that weekly anchored. That weekly anchored has been absolute beauty for
Mhm.
today's session.
I agree. To sound like T-Pain, I'm already doing it. Who knows ball? Where's that from? Who knows where that's from?
3,000.
Nobody? We got no ballers. No
Nobody?
ballers in chat.
Nobody?
You know where that's from?
What?
To sound like T-Pain, I'm already doing it.
No.
Rams, you know where that's from? Damn, bro. No one has ball knowledge. That's crazy.
Oh, from Mickey Mouse. My bad,
Why is
G.
there a baby on the floor? Chat, nobody knows where that's from? That's crazy. No, you'll never know.
Ooh. Because when you don't know, well, now you know.
Stop right there. You know what's funny? Every time I hear that now, I just think of that Nick A30 clip. Have you seen that?
No.
You never seen that? Do you know Nick A30?
No.
What?
Oh, yeah, I do. I
The
lied.
family-friendly guy?
There is Asia low again trying to get tested, guys. If that cracks through our previous day low all the way down at 75, then I will probably be out, which basically puts me at break even again for today's session. So one up to 200, came all the way down 100, back up to 200, and now I'm back flat for right now.
That was before the family-friendly. Testing previous day low.
You know, would love to see a pop here. If not, then
And so
no
Popski
bueno.
and Reclaim.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
Denzel's Washington sing.
Things trying to come down. It's kind of a lame session, I'm not gonna lie to you, with a
Yeah.
lot of candle up, candle down. Trying to invalidate, not validated just yet. Again, with ATR, you really have to be careful because these 60 points could easily look like an invalidation and then it just sucks up. So using that higher time frame is always going to be crucial. And then obviously using the lower for your actual entries. But when you're using the lower for your entries, it will result in more fake outs. But that's where you can get the closest to a real strategy fail. Like John, you trigger on a what? A 2-minute?
3.
He triggers on a
2
3-minute.
and a 3, depending on what trigger it is.
And I get triggered on a 1, so
In a body ball. Bam, bam, bam. Just curious to see where this candle wants to close on the 2. Bottom of my range is 655, and that's exactly where our weekly pocket is too. Could be a pretty strong level to bounce off of.
don't know.
Dun, dun,
Reach
dun,
for the
dun.
stars.
Dun, dun, dun.
'Cause you're the only one.
Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this.
Sega Genesis.
There's a retest of that
Yeah, it's a nice suck.
previous
If we
day
can get
low.
above even just Asia low, we'll see what can happen.
The Roop. The Roop. The Roop is on fires.
What?
We don't what you're what.
Burn.
Want a little more than that.
Yep. Back above previous day low.
Thought it was fucking connected and
Mine? Oh.
froze.
55 seconds till this 2-minute close. Reclaim of that 700 would be peak. Here we're testing weekly anchored again. Pretty close to it.
Yep. That 690 is also a fib for me, which obviously we have stacked levels right now, so we will see.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your SL right now, John?
26.
Ooh, I'm at 36. 10 points.
26ing. I needed to give it some room. Some room to breathe.
Tickling.
Room to breathe.
And it's tickling? Right?
Breathe. Don't tell me to breathe. I don't mind that close. I don't mind that close
Yo,
at
you know
all.
who cannot breathe? His name is George.
We just closed on the 2-minute above weekly anchored.
John didn't like that one.
Weekly anchored close above.
I cannot breathe. Holy shit.
Uh,
Oh,
700 test. Here we
Yep.
go, chat.
here we go.
This is where we matter. At the close above the weekly anchored, testing the 700. Need a nice close above that. I think we go to previous month POC.
Rams is still laughing.
Rams, shut up.
It's a good one. I like that. Oh my goodness. These are the things that make me wonder in this life.
But do you know what it means?
Yeah. It means
Do
he's
you
off
know what it means?
to be George.
Okay. This guy's trying to get us canceled.
Oh, holy. We cannot be cancelled. It's impossible. We are too nice.
find your dreams
transparent.
come true. We're too transparent.
And if people don't like our jokes, you're too sensitive.
Grow up.
Wake up and smell the roses because he can't.
Okay. All right. Done. We're done.
Okay, yeah.
You're done.
That's
I'm
enough,
cutting you off.
Rams.
I'm cutting you off. cutting you off. Move
Holy,
on.
bro. Anyways, here we are again at 86. Still testong.
Let's see where we're gonna get this close on the 2. Suck up above weekly anchored again. There we go. We're gonna get a nice close on the 3 also. Actually, never mind. That's in a minute. I
John,
like
how do
that,
you
though.
feel?
I feel pretty
How
good.
about tung 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 sahur?
Tung, 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 tung.
Tung 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 tung.
Yo, do you know how to get to the
Oh.
kum, 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 kum?
Yo, we only have 35 people in here because it's literally 11:20.
Yeah, because we printed like crazy earlier. A bunch of people already called it.
Actually, big facts. I like how we said, yo, today we're gonna work efficient. 11:20.
For reals.
It's gonna happen sometimes.
Retested that weekly anchored. Flip green and push. Pass that 700.
The thing is, most of our best triggers happens at 10:30, which is your initial balance. So it is what it is, guys.
It's true, dude. The amount of times we like end stream here,
And then hit
and then
PDPT
I
after,
get it
I know.
triggered like 10 minutes later, and I'm just in my channel
Literally.
or like VIP chat. It's low-key annoying. I'd rather it just be on stream. But when nothing's happening for 30 minutes, you know?
Then nothing's happening.
It is what it is.
Can we finally get the push? There we go. Come on. Nice reclaim of that weekly, holding above that 690 after a nice retest of it. Can it fully hold? Again, we do have our true New York open at 710. So can we position above 710? Is the question all the people are waiting for.
I guess we're just waiting. Here, let's play some Would You Rather.
Would you rather bid?
Would-
or
Would you rather just end the stream so it can PDPT? Ooh.
Oh, I see what you've done there. No.
Okay, would you rather never have candy again or never have chocolate again?
Never have candy.
I agree.
I love chocolate,
I
bro.
agree.
There's
Again,
like
so you're still
fine
using
art
alpha? We're
for
not on alpha
creating
right now.
chocolate. There's no fine art for creating candy. You know,
Candy
like
and chocolate, same thing? No? What? No.
what?
How are you gonna tell me
Bro.
Skittles and like Kit Kat is the same?
That's crazy.
That's wild.
That was insane. Yeah, that's like some dong 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 dong.
Remember this: if you could take $1 million per lost finger, would you lose any fingers?
I'd have none. Just two stubs. Two stubs. You guys are funny today. There we go, guys. We are green.
Coffee Crisp, banger. Actually, banger.
Coffee Crisp is a banger.
It's underrated.
It
Like, I
actually
feel like
is.
Coffee Crisp is hated
What's
on
your
for no
favorite,
reason.
like, just regular chocolate? Like, don't go like, oh, from France and Paris.
Oh, dude, there's so many. Like, there's so many. There's so many.
Remove the S.
Bro, there's too many bangers.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing trying to go, guys. We are now above 20.
I like Toblerone.
Toblerone is a banger.
But there's too many bangers. Like, you got Kit Kat, you got Aero, you
You
got
can only choose one.
you
I
got
know which one off the
Maltesers.
rip I would
Maltesers
choose.
are so heat.
Which one off the rip would you choose?
Mars bars are heat.
This guy's still just listing.
Twix.
I bet you do like a little nut in yours, huh, Rams?
Twix is heat. Dude, Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher.
Okay, see, that's one of my favorite.
Banger.
But you-
Lindor, the red
listen,
ones
listen.
only. The red Lindor chocolates. You know what I'm talking about?
Like,
I like the sea salt one.
Crazy.
You guys hear this shit? I'd
I'd
love to speak one day. You know, it's so nice. It's no. Finish. Do you know where
Nobody
that's
can
from?
even.
Where's that from? Hey, he knows ball.
Yo, Kinder.
That's where I was
Banger.
going. That's where Ferrero Rocher. Banger, right? But now let's bring it down a level. Kinder Bueno. Banger.
Oh, banger. Oh my god. it's
So
Okay,
banger.
how are you gonna choose one? What would you choose if you could choose only one?
If I can
That
only
means you
choose
can
one,
never have any of the other ones ever again.
Kinder Bueno. Kinder Bueno. What did I just do?
That's actually a good pick.
The Bueno,
It's so
the
peak.
Kinder.
It's so peak.
Kinder Bueno is so bueno.
It's so peak.
The crunch.
I bet you do.
The
You
crunch
and
is
nuts
so
and
good.
eggs. I like to play. Rams likes to play with his food.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know what I would choose. if I
That
could only choose
tested
one.
730, guys. I was there at 733. Am I greedy? No.
I don't understand how you could choose so easily. I'm not gonna lie.
That's been my favorite for like as a kid because I've always loved Ferrero Rocher, right? But I couldn't always afford it as a kid. So what did I settle for? Kinder Bueno. And then I found out I wasn't actually settling. It's the peak.
It is peak. But like, dude, there's way too many.
There's too many. So
If I could only have one.
what an insane test, guys, of our previous month POC to a rejection, holding on to our weekly anchored VWAP. Does it completely hold or does it fold? Find out on the next episode of Bookie Man.
But you know what's an underrated one that like low key I would choose it?
Oh, what?
Flake. You know Flake?
Oh, see what I mean? This guy.
Who knows Flake?
When I went to Paris, it was so good, delicious. I'm like, bro, what?
Bro, you don't know Flake?
I brought up the most random one ever.
Bro, if you've never had Flake, Flake is the most peak shit ever. That's Flake.
Ew, that's ass.
Bro, it's milk chocolate.
Ass.
It's so good. No, it's not ass.
Ass.
You're an idiot. You've never had
Ass.
it. You've never had it.
Ass.
No, you're
Ass.
stupid. You're
Actually ass.
stupid. You're
Actually
an idiot.
ass.
You're an idiot.
Actually,
Have you ever
ass.
had it?
Yes.
Cap.
Ass.
Cap.
On
Cap.
the Lord.
Cap. Wait, actually, you've had it? It's not ass. It's literally milk chocolate. Milk chocolate can never be
Yeah,
ass.
it's not ass, but it's like compared to everything we just listed, you're gonna say that one's peak.
It's just so good.
He went from you're an idiot to man, it's just good. I'm just craving chocolate now.
Yo, Reese's is banger, but I can't live
I can't
off
have a
Reese's.
lot of
It's
it.
too many.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's too much. It's too much.
Like at that point, why am I just eating peanut butter?
Yeah, realistically, you know what's the one that keeps coming up in my head as like the one, like V1 for me? Arrow.
Arrow is banger,
I love
and you
Arrow.
just let it melt in your
'Cause
mouth.
I could just keep eating
You
it.
feel the bubbles.
Oof.
As a
Mid.
kid, I
Caramel
still like
mid.
it. Well,
Caramel is mid.
it's funny that
Mid chocolate bar. I bet caramel is first.
it's just chocolate.
Rolo? It's good, but I wouldn't put Rolo as my
I
one.
wouldn't either.
Yeah. Arrow is just too bangerific different. Dude, Mars is like so fire too.
It is fire.
I love Mars.
That's another one where like after I
I
have
can't.
like,
Yeah.
little, I'm like,
Yeah. No, I agree.
Look at that suck up on a higher time.
What time frame?
At least like a 3 to 5.
Looks pretty good on a
Nice.
5.
It's nice. You know? Mr. 305.
You know what's the most banger chocolate with popcorn though? Like if you were to dump chocolate into your bucket of popcorn at the movies.
Have you ever had like Chicago mix?
Yeah, Chicago mix is banger.
Pretty banger.
But you know what's banger?
Ooh, that pop.
Dumping Maltesers on top of your popcorn.
This guy keeps bringing up
So-
Maltesers.
Bro, they're perfect because they're like poppy. Like they have like the same texture almost as popcorn,
I see what you're saying.
and it's like a wafer and chocolate. It, like
But,
mixes
okay,
good with
I
popcorn.
am autistic and I can't have sweet and savory like that though. So like
What?
even when I'm having Chicago mix, I'll either have one or I'll have the other.
I'm not gonna lie. When I have Chicago mix, I only eat the caramel. I'm big back. And I remember there was one time we were at the theater and I got the mix because they actually sell.
they do.
Like they sell the Chicago mix. And I'm in the theater and I was telling Jacob, I was like, man, I just wish they sell the bag of straight caramel. And he's like, they did. You didn't see it? And I was like, oh fuck, I would have grabbed that one.
That's funny. Can we get the pop skis?
Oh my god, Alvin likes mint arrow. He's like Jacob. I hate mint. Like yeah,
No,
let me
like
just,
after 8s, those are kind of banger.
bro, let me just put toothpaste on my chocolate.
It's actually kind of banger.
Yeah, I know. Let me just like I'll just throw an arrow in my mouth and I'll just brush my teeth. You know.
Okay. Can I watch? Can I watch you do that?
How do you brush your teeth?
Toothpaste?
No, but like how?
Electric?
Like what's your strat?
I just do the doctor's orders. I just do one teeth individually. Circle, circle, circle 5 times. Next one. Circle, circle, circle 5 times. Why? How about you? And then I go the full like zhig, zhig. You seen me in Colombia. You're dying of laughter
Do you do it?
because all
like
you hear is
s-
zhig, 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 zhig.
Do you do it slow or fast?
Both.
So like what's the pattern?
What's the rhythm?
Yeah, what's the
First
rhythm?
it's slow because it's individual teeth, right? So it's zoom, 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 and then at the end it's oh, you're trying to make me do something naughty. What the fuck is that? You're trying to make me naughty. You're a bad boy. I've got you, huh? Wow,
that's
what the heck was that? He makes me do
Huh?
naughty things, chat. Look at that dump.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I'm not a fan of that. Unless it
Unless it sucks up. Yeah, that was good. I got them, guys. What the hell are knoppers? Have you guys ever had these knoppers?
that looks like an Nanaimo bar.
It looks good.
It looks like an Nanaimo.
Nanaimo? What the hell is a Nanaimo?
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 Yeah.
What's a Nanaimo?
Dang.
Putang Nanaimo. Oh my
Look it
god.
up. You'll know what it is. It's Canadian.
Nanaimo?
Yeah. And now, what's that cookie? Crumble. They just made an Nanaimo bar, and everyone, like Canadians, are making fun of Americans
How do you
pronouncing
spell it?
Nimo. I don't know, something like that.
Nanaimo.
Yeah.
I've never had these. I've never had a Nanaimo. I've had a Putanginaimo.
But never a Nanaimo.
Never a Nanaimo. That suck up's not bad.
It's not horrible, huh?
This has just gotten boring, you know? But it's okay. Tim Tam? What the hell is a Tim Tam?
I don't like Tim Tams.
There's a lot of shitty chocolate
He's like,
and
you just listed
candies.
one.
I've never had a Tim Tam, so I don't know. But like, there's a lot of candies that are so mid. You know what's a fire candy that's like newer? Is Nerd Clusters. Those are
Yeah,
actually
those
banger.
are. I had those recently. My brother brought them over.
Yeah, those are banger.
It
Also-
is, but
Oh, dude, I'm not gonna lie. If I could actually only choose one chocolate type of snack dessert thing, it's that thing. The Nutella with the sticks that come in that little
it's
thingy.
not my childhood, so I can't.
Bro, those are so banger. That's a crazy
Like, I
suck up
want
too.
something that's absolutely like nostalgic. You know, that's not nostalgic for me because I wasn't around when I was a kid.
nostalgic for me. Oh my god, Dunkaroos.
That was a
Holy
banger snack.
Cosmic
I didn't like
brownies.
them.
What?
I actually didn't like them.
I like the one with the nuts, but we couldn't have.
Oh my
Yeah, of
god,
course you like them
bro!
with the
The
nuts.
way that this guy has brought up nuts 10 times during this stream, bro.
Oh, you actually don't like cosmic brownies? To me, they're like the tastiest brownies in the world.
No, to me they taste fake.
Yeah.
Again,
that's
it's-
what makes it
No,
good.
I'm so autistic, bro.
Dude, they taste so. Yo, chat. Cosmic brownies? Oh my god, dude! Like, you're making me want them to get them.
Do you like brownie?
Yeah.
You like?
Yo, no, you know what's peak? No. Listen,
Oh.
listen. You know what's peak? Lava cake, Domino's, old school.
Dude, I like their.
No, that's good too.
Chat. Cosmic
But their
brownies are so
lava?
good.
Who are the lava?
Their lava? Don't even get me started. What?
Cosmic brownies are peak. Okay, how about this? What's your favorite ice cream?
Cookies and cream. You're fucked. Get off of stream right now.
I'm happy this guy doesn't have a mic. That was disgusting.
Yeah, what the fuck? I hope no one heard that.
Like,
That
hopefully.
was actually gross, bro.
I hope.
I really hope no one heard you. You're disgusting. You're gross. To all of mankind. Okay, that's kind of broad now. How about you relax? Huh?
Yo, hot take. Ice cream sandwiches are better than all ice cream.
I agree. I agree. I agree.
Politics.
Oh my gosh, bro! Where's the ban? Where's the ban button? We're getting back to that,
Bro,
bro.
I need a real life mute button, like from Click. And I need to
Holy.
internet ramp.
He needs a timeout. Go in the corner. Oh
Ew.
my goodness. Go talk to Spider-Man.
Disgusting.
We've literally
Disgusting.
gone candle up, candle down for the past hour?
Bro, we literally, to me, we just need a candle to break past that previous month POC.
Guys, I actually
25
think we're
to
talking
30.
to ourselves. And Rob. Us and Rob.
Ew, bro, this guy Neapolitan. Ew. Like, what a waste.
I didn't even know that they had those ice cream bars. No,
Nobody
but
knows
the one
that.
with the caramel in the middle, that exact same one.
A drumstick is.
Oh, peak. There. Now we can agree. But Neapolitan drumstick. Okay, Dairy Queen. What are you guys getting?
Yo,
Strawberry cheesecake.
fuck Dairy Queen. Fuck
so
Dairy
good.
Queen.
So
Look what I just sent
no,
in chat. That's peak.
That is peak.
That's peak.
That is peak.
That's that right there. That's what you
That
get.
is peak. No. I have a baby to tend to. Yeah, we need to
Yo,
have a meeting.
I'm officially on a cut.
I am too.
No,
That's how it always starts. That's how they get you.
that's how you stay off a cut. You just always start it tomorrow.
Is that it?
Redonkulous. Oh, this price action sucks. Like, for real, for real. Klondike? It's alright. It's alright. It's not bad. Like, I'll eat it. But I'm not like, oh, let me go get the Klondike bar.
But like at the gas station, sometimes when it's your only option, banger.
Yo, you know what's low-key better than those Oreo sandwiches? I gotta find it. I would actually put those second. Do you remember? I don't know if you're too old for this.
Wow.
Ice dogs?
What?
Called ice dogs? Do you remember those?
I just made up something
Sure, am I
random
the
and
only one?
said, "Wait, is that what it's called?
Am I
Is
tripping?
it that banger if you actually don't know what it is?"
These?
Those are the things that make you wonder.
These? Do you know these?
Am I looking at your screen or in chat?
Here, I'll put it in chat. Those are so peak.
Those kind of look ass.
Dude, it's a soft cookie on both sides. Soft chocolate chip cookie. Vanilla in between. So fucking peak.
We are
Bangerific.
below our previous day low right now. Testings. So, yeah, I think we might have to call it, guys, and just move. And we'll keep you guys updated in terms of this trade because as of right now, not much is going on.
Because right now I'm just waiting.
Now I'm
Yeah.
just thinking about ice cream.
I'm just waiting. Guys, make sure to use code PHUB for all
Always.
of the best prop discounts. Make sure to stay tuned into the announcements page because we're going to be talking about a lot of shit that
Yep.
is to come.
Premium
Follow
is
us.
about to get an absolute upgrade real soon.
It's a little too banger, but it's okay. You know what I mean? Allow it.
Yep,
Allow it for the people type shit.
for the people.
Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at Prophub Trading and at Ace of Trades on Instagram, and follow our YouTube because we do post long forms on our YouTube that is only on our YouTube and nowhere else. So you'll get some extra shit there, extra sauce, some good videos. And we still have to set up the charity. Ace obviously was busy having a kid, which again, congrats to Ace. So there's a lot of shit to catch up on. Hopefully we can get the charity going this week. If not this week, definitely next week. And yeah, anything else to add, Mr. Ace of Trades?
You got it, baby. Make sure you use code PHUB always, guys, to support us, support the free streams. And we love y'all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Banger stream, lots of W's. Still basically break even here, but very much green on the session. Vanquish, absolutely ripped
You have
it.
a 5K payout on Vanquish.
Yes, sir.
Banger.
So we love y'all, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Peace.